Let's diagnose a drive. Click Diagnose and select the port to which the drive is connected. At the top here you see the port, and these are the subsystems of the drive that will be diagnosed during this checkup. Click the Start button to launch the process. So what happens during the diagnostics? First, task force measures and analyzes the currents to detect problems with PCB. It also analyzes each of the heads to detect head damage. Then task force performs initial media surface reading to detect issues and to estimate the time of imaging. Then there is a set of firmware checks, including smart analysis, HPA and DCO checks. And finally, task force scans for file systems and detects any logical problems with them. We at Atolo Technology are strong proponents of running diagnostics on every evidence drive. First of all, if a drive is damaged, diagnostics help you take an informed decision how exactly to get evidence from this drive using task force, because you need to make sure that by imaging an evidence drive, you are not causing further damage to it. Secondly, diagnostics shows you if there is any data on the drive, thus helping you to prioritize the drive among others involved in the same case. Last but not least, task force gives you an estimate of how much time it will take you to image this drive. If we look at the current diagnostics, there are a few issues that the diagnostics report points to. First, one of the smart table parameters indicates issues. The drive is not in a perfect condition, but task force can still image data from it. Secondly, there are many small-sized partitions of an unknown type on this drive, and they only take up 4% of the drive space, while 96% of the drive is not associated with any partition. It is very unusual. Now let's have a look at a diagnostics report of a drive in good condition. Let's open any green diagnostics report. First of all, this report shows that we need 2 hours and 11 minutes to image this device. Also, the analysis of the file system shows us that there are 2 partitions on this drive and they take all of its space.